Hi, in this video I'll show you how to fix in case on your BMW you get the reduced driver assistance warning message. This can happen because of many different reasons, and I'll show you a few different tricks on how to solve it by yourself before visiting a dealership. So let's get started with tip number 1. So the first thing you can do is to make sure that the cameras and sensors located in the front bumper of your BMW or sometimes behind the windshield are clean. So take a microfiber, some glass cleaner, and remove any dirt, any bugs, any smudges, any stickers that may be there. If these are obstructed by a leaf, some snow, or again, some mud, the warning message will appear in your dash. So gently wipe everything, and when you start your car again, the warning message should go away by itself. Now for tip number 2, sometimes there's condensation or fog right in front of the camera or sensor, especially if you're living in a humid environment or maybe very cold. Well, this can happen. So what I suggest is that you blast your windshield defroster for a full 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, again, when you see the condensation cleared up, start the car and the air will go out by itself. If you still see condensation only around the camera, there's a good chance that the seal around the whole module is going bad and you'll need to visit your dealership. All right, so trick number 3 is to simply wait out in case you're having sun glare. Sometimes when you're driving early in the morning or late afternoon and the sun is blasting directly in the camera of your BMW, this message could appear because the camera is confused. It's not able to see what's in front of it, and it gives you this warning message that it's going off, it's disabled. So just wait, you can still drive your car without any issues, and again it will go out by itself when the sun goes completely out of the way. For trick number 4, I suggest you check the 12-volt battery. A dead 12-volt battery or almost dead battery can cause many different bugs, including this message and many other ones. So go to AutoZone or any other car parts. Most of them will test your battery for absolutely free, so you have a better idea if it needs to be replaced or not. If it's almost dead, just replace it. There's a good chance that this was causing the problem. For trick number 5, I suggest you completely restart your BMW. What I mean by this is that you turn off the engine, you open the hood, and you disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery. Usually with a 10mm ratchet, this is all you need to do it. Wait 10 minutes and then connect everything back. Start the car and the message should go by itself. This is a simple way to restart all the systems and start fresh. So if this was a bug, it should clear. Now, if after trying everything you're still having the issue, I highly suggest you visit your dealership. I read many comments on Reddit, people having this problem, that after trying everything, they went to the dealership and the dealership updated some modules of their car and it fixed their problem. So sometimes it's also sensors being misaligned, or maybe a camera being misaligned, or again the seal around it going bad. So they will be able to diagnose your car very well and pinpoint exactly where the problem is. So better be safe and sorry. Obviously you can still drive your BMW until you have time to go to the dealership, but yeah. Leave a like and also comment down below if one of these worked for you. If you have any other tips, leave them down below. I'm sure some other BMW owner will be very grateful to read those tips. Subscribe, like, and drive safe.